This video guides you on locating the spare tire and jack in 2010-2021 Maserati Ghibli models. While newer trims often have run-flat tires or tire inflation kits, knowing the location of your spare and jack is crucial for roadside emergencies. This applies primarily to 2014-2021 models, though some principles may apply to earlier models like the Quattroporte. In the 2014-2021 Maserati Ghibli, the spare tire is typically found in the trunk. Lift the carpeted panel or floor mat to reveal a well underneath. The spare may be a donut or full-size tire depending on the vehicle's trim. Earlier 2010-era models may differ, so consult your owner's manual. The jack and lug wrench are usually stored in a dedicated compartment within the trunk, often on the side or under the spare tire well. Some models may have a toolkit pouch containing these items. The jack is typically a hydraulic scissor type, suitable for the Ghibli's weight. Before you even begin, always prioritize safety. Park on a flat, stable surface away from traffic. Turn on your hazard lights and engage the parking brake. If equipped with run-flat tires, consider driving cautiously to a safer location if possible. Using the lug wrench, loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Do this before jacking up the car. Turn the wrench counterclockwise. Don't remove them completely at this stage, just break them free. Locate the jack points on your Ghibli's frame, typically near the wheel wells. Place the jack securely on the designated jack point and raise the vehicle until the flat tire is off the ground. Ensure the jack is stable before proceeding. Now for the final step, carefully lower the vehicle and complete the tightening. Lowering the vehicle and final tightening. Carefully lower the vehicle using the jack until the spare tire touches the ground. Tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern, tightening opposite nuts first to ensure even pressure. If you have a torque wrench, tighten the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds for proper security. Finally, lower the vehicle completely, check the lug nuts one last time, and store all tools back in their place. Remember, spares are for temporary use only. Get your flat tire repaired or replaced as soon as possible.